Welcome to Study English Online, the podcast where you learn real English from real conversations, simple explanations, and practice you can actually use.
Yes, no stress, no complicated grammar lectures, just clear, natural English you can copy today.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Let's get started.
So, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but in a good way, like I did something useful today, tired. What about you?
Same. Busy day, but I'm happy because recording this feels like meeting our listeners in one big room again.
I like that image. A big room full of English learners, and everyone is brave enough to practice.
Exactly. And today's episode is about something that controls your English progress more than vocabulary, more than grammar.
Your time.
Yes, how to stop wasting time and how to use time in a smart, calm way, especially for English learning.
And we'll do it in a practical way, not wake up at 5 a.m. and become a superhero.
No, more like, how can a normal person with a normal life improve English without feeling guilty all the time?
Good, because guilt is a terrible teacher.
Before we begin, quick message. If you enjoy Study English Online, please subscribe and share this episode with one friend.
Especially the friend who says, I have no time, and then watches 47 short videos.
We all have that friend.
Sometimes we are that friend.
Let's start with a simple question. What does it mean to waste time?
For me, wasting time is when I spend time on something and afterward I feel, that gave me nothing. No rest, no joy, no learning, no progress.
That's a great definition, because time is not only work time. Fun can be valuable too. Rest can be valuable too.
Exactly. Wasting time isn't the same as relaxing.
Right. Let's make it super clear for listeners. Rest is not wasting time.
Yes. Rest is like charging your phone. If you never charge, you die.
You stop working.
And then you waste time anyway because your brain can't focus.
I want to give a metaphor. Time is like money in your pocket.
Okay.
Time, if you spend it on something worthless, you feel poor later. But if you invest it wisely, your future is richer.
I like that. And it fits English learning because English is a long game.
Yes, small investment every day beats one big burst one time.
Let me ask you something personal. What is your biggest time-wasting habit?
Easy. My phone.
Same. I tell myself, I'll check one message, then somehow I'm reading comments from strangers arguing about something I don't even care about.
That's so real. And afterward, you don't feel satisfied. You feel noisy inside.
Yes, like my brain is full of junk food.
Great phrase. Junk food for the brain. And here's the danger. People think the problem is laziness.
But often the problem is design.
Design?
Yes, apps are designed to keep you there. So if you blame yourself too hard, you feel weak. But the truth is, you're fighting a professional system.
That's important. So we need strategies, not shame.
Exactly.
Now, let's turn this into something helpful. How can you stop wasting time and use time to improve English?
Let's give listeners a toolkit. Simple, realistic, and repeatable.
Tool number 1, the tiny plan.
Tiny plan means small goal?
Yes, because big plans feel heavy. Tiny plans feel doable.
Give an example.
Instead of, I will become fluent, say, today I will learn 3 phrases.
Or I will listen for 8 minutes.
Yes, or I will shadow one short conversation.
Shadowing means you listen and repeat like an echo, right?
Exactly, like copying the rhythm and pronunciation.
I used to set huge goals, like study English for 2 hours.
And then,
I'd avoid it because it felt like going to the gym for 3 hours.
too painful.
Then I switched to 10 minutes a day, and the crazy thing is, I often did more than 10 minutes.
Because starting is the hardest part.
Yes, tiny plans make starting easy.
Tool number 2, use pocket time.
Pocket time is those little minutes during the day.
Yes, waiting for the bus, walking, cooking, standing in line, sitting in a taxi.
Many people throw away pocket time by scrolling.
But pocket time can be English gold.
Give practical pocket time activities.
Sure.
1. Listen to a short English podcast clip, like 3 to 5 minutes.
2. Review vocabulary cards, digital or paper.
3. Read one mini dialogue on your phone, something short.
4. Speak to yourself in English for 1 minute.
Some listeners will say, "Speak to myself? That's embarrassing."
Then do it quietly, or do it in your head.
Or pretend you're practicing for a future conversation.
Exactly.
I had a student, she had 2 children and a job.
Busy life.
She told me, "I don't have 1 full hour, but I have many small minutes."
That's the secret sentence.
She used pocket time for English, and after 3 months, her listening improved a lot.
Because frequency matters. Tool number 3, make English fun on purpose.
On purpose, intentional fun.
Yes, because if English feels like punishment, your brain runs away.
Learning needs positive emotion, not stress every time.
Here's a good rule. Connect English to something you already love.
Like music.
Yes, or cooking videos, or football interviews, or true crime stories, whatever you enjoy.
Then English becomes a bridge to entertainment, not a wall of pain.
Exactly. I learned a lot from rewatching the same short scenes.
That's powerful. Repetition with enjoyment.
First time, I watched for meaning.
Second time, I noticed phrases.
Third time, I copied pronunciation.
That's not wasting time. That's training.
Now we have to talk about the enemy.
The phone again?
The phone again. Tool number 4, stop time thieves.
Time thieves are things that steal your time without giving value.
Exactly. Endless scrolling, random videos, drama content, constant notifications.
Let's give listeners 3 simple defenses.
Defense 1, put the phone in another room during your tiny plan.
Defense 2, turn off notifications for 1 hour.
Defense 3, make a rule like no social media before my English.
That rule is powerful because it changes order. English first, then fun.
And often you won't even want social media after.
True, you feel satisfied.
Tool number 5 is a surprise. Rest is part of productivity.
Yes, rest is not laziness.
It's recovery.
I used to feel guilty resting.
Me too.
But then I noticed, when I'm tired, I study for 1 hour but remember nothing.
That's fake study.
Exactly. After sleep, I learn in 15 minutes what I couldn't learn in 1 hour.
So rest saves time in the long run.
That's a big mindset shift.
Let's slow down and teach key vocabulary because this is Study English Online, not just a motivational talk.
Yes, vocabulary time, but simple and useful.
Word 1, intentional.
Intentional means you do something on purpose.
Example, I am intentional with my time.
Or, I'm trying to be more intentional about practicing English.
Word 2, vague.
Vague means not clear, not specific.
Example, improve my English is vague.
Learn 5 travel phrases is not vague.
Word 3, distracted.
Distracted means you can't focus because your attention moves around.
Example, I feel distracted when my phone is next to me.
Great.
Phrase, time thief.
Something that steals your time without giving you value.
Example, mindless scrolling is a time thief for me.
Perfect.
Word, invest.
Invest means you use time or money now to get something better later.
Example, I'm investing 10 minutes a day in my English.
That sounds strong. Now, let's make this episode more interactive.
Good idea.
Listener challenge. Choose one tiny goal for today.
And it must be small.
Very small.
Like, I will learn 3 phrases from today's episode.
Or, I will repeat after the speakers for 5 minutes.
Or, I will write 1 comment in English.
That's a great one because it uses real communication.
Then step 2, choose your pocket time.
Example, on the bus, during lunch, before sleep, while walking.
Step 3. Make it fun.
Use a topic you like: sports, food, movies, business, fashion, anything.
Step 4. After you finish, say one kind sentence to yourself.
Like, "Good job, I kept my promise."
That's how you build identity. I am someone who studies.
Not, "I try and fail."
Yes.
Let's do a mini role play for listeners.
Great.
Scenario: a learner says, "I have no time to study English."
Okay, I'll be the learner.
And I'll be the coach.
I have no time to study English.
Okay, quick question. Do you have 5 minutes?
Maybe, yes.
Great, then you have time. You don't need 1 hour, you need 5 minutes consistently.
But 5 minutes is too small.
5 minutes is small, but it's real, and real beats perfect.
So what should I do in 5 minutes?
Repeat 3 sentences out loud, or learn 1 useful phrase and make 2 examples.
That sounds doable.
And tomorrow, do the same. That's how you stop wasting time. Small actions repeated.
Let's do some high-value English phrases that match today's topic.
Yes, phrases learners can use in daily life.
Phrase 1. I got carried away.
Meaning you continued too long without noticing.
Example, I started watching videos and got carried away.
Great.
Phrase 2. I'll do it in a minute.
Often a lie we tell ourselves.
Example, I said I'd study English in a minute, but then I didn't.
Very honest.
Phrase 3. I'm trying to cut down on.
Meaning reduce.
Example, I'm trying to cut down on social media.
Nice.
Phrase 4. That was a waste of time.
Example, arguing online was a waste of time.
Phrase 5. I'm short on time.
Meaning you don't have much time.
Example, I'm short on time today, so I'll do a 10-minute English practice.
Now, let's talk about a problem many learners have. They confuse busy with effective.
Yes, you can be busy and still not improve.
Because you're busy doing random things.
That's why tiny plans matter. They create direction.
Direction saves time.
Here's a question for listeners. Are you spending time or investing time?
That question hurts, but it helps.
Because time is going to pass anyway.
So you choose what your future looks like.
Let's recap our core strategies in simple language.
Yes, clear summary helps memory.
1. Make a tiny plan.
2. Use pocket time.
3. Make English fun on purpose.
4. Protect yourself from time thieves.
5. Rest is not wasting time. Rest is charging.
Perfect.
Now, question for you, listener. What is your biggest time thief?
And what is one tiny change you will make this week?
Write it in the comments in English, even one sentence.
And if you make mistakes, good. Mistakes mean you're practicing.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
You didn't waste it, you invested it in yourself.
This is Study English Online.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.